Today, we will continue to decode the markets by using our smart money strategies and price action concepts. We will do a top-down analysis and learn how to identify specific entry locations. Furthermore, we will focus on how to take trades into a certain direction. If you're okay, let's do this. We will continue to learn step-by-step day trading with our most practical and best trading examples. Let's have a look at this chart. Ignore the asset. It could be Bitcoin, gold, Nasdaq, Apple stock, or any kind of Forex pair. Since price action is universal, we always try to trade the same or similar patterns. Notice this lovely previous day high line. It is a clear target for us. But also check this out. Perfect equal highs as well. Very good. Now notice these equal lows below. Now it is like a toast between equal highs and equal lows. In this example, equal highs acting as the target and the equal lows acting as the fill. But where is all this price action happening? Notice the chart above. A multi-high time frame imbalance location. So this trade is not randomly chosen. There's a logic and pattern behind it. Let's get back to the trade. What else do we have here? A great support and resistance flip location combined with an inner imbalance. Now this is an extreme example of a A+++ trading setup, a top-notch pattern. It is like Aston Martin or Ferrari setup in the price action world. So we must observe the price action again, then you can see things much more clearly. First of all, we have noticed that price is riding towards the previous day's highs above. And it also has clear equal highs above as well. At the bottom, price swept the equal lows and dove into this inner imbalance area at the support and resistance flip point. All good, I believe. Let me go over it. Step 1. We have a magnificent target above and we have confirmed a possible direction. So we have kind of a bias now. Step 2. In order to move our car to hunt the targets, we need fuel, a gas station. At the bottom, what is price doing? It sweeps the equal lows, taps the inner imbalance, and hits the support and resistance flip zone, a most perfect field. Step 3. Where is all this action happening? Remember, this is not an ordinary location. It all happens at the multi-imbalance area of the 30-minute, 45 minutes, and 1-hour levels. Now this is a magnificent price action. It is like driving a Ferrari today. Let me observe the higher time frames in detail in the same trade. You can even spot these setups without opening any lower time frames. We already know that price hits 3 imbalances at the same time. But let's get a closer look at the 30-minute chart in detail. You can see the clear SR flip point. And also notice this inner liquidity area with 3 candlestick low points. Now you have an eagle vision. Let me show you clearly what happens here. We had the bullish targets above, and we needed a fuel, a gas station to go up. Price first builds this liquidity area and strikes down all the stop losses at once. It hits the imbalance with the SR flip point to get all the fuel needed. In my price action diary, I have 3 types of fill. Simple fill is imbalance taps. Advanced fill is imbalance taps plus liquidity sweeps. And the extreme fills is imbalance taps plus liquidity sweeps plus SR flip points. So more confluences are better for the trades. However, do not forget this. If you want to have higher success and better win rates, then you also need a direction, a clear target. clear targets like equal highs or previous day highs, or maybe a combination of them. As you can see, trading is all about combining multiple concepts together. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.